Good morning, good afternoon, folks. Here we are again, but
Yes.
this time in a different country. Anyway,
we are currently in
Seoul,
Seoul.
South Korea.
Yes.
We came here last night late.
Like in the morning, early morning,
Morning.
like 1 a.m.
Well, it was
2
really
a.m.
quite a story. I don't think we have time right now to go
No, but we'll
through
share
this.
we'll share the ordeal from the airport to come here in a later time.
Just kind of like, a little, summary or maybe one thing to know. Don't come to Seoul late night,
Yeah.
past 9 p.m.
Yeah.
So-
I don't have to
so
say
anyway.
this one.
So that's our first outing today.
We are
We
heading to, I can't say the name. It's
You-
a number one palace in Tokyo.
Well, there are two palaces.
Number one. This one we're going to is the number one
Okay.
in Seoul.
All right. So it's not too hot. There is a little breeze, so kind of nice. So we decided, since where we stay, the palace is walking distance, less about like 20 minutes.
Yeah.
So we decided just to kind of have a feel of the city, walk to the palace, and enjoy some scenery along the way. A simple life should be. I'm describing my simple life.
Thank you. Travel the world kayo.
Gotta come back, gotta get it back. So flagrant, taste flavors. Sugar round body, you know that's red black.
One song go to 2,000 people. Look at people.
Yep, it is like Istanbul in Taksim for sure.
It's at night.
Oh, this is big cheese.
it is with
You like it? It's hot, right?
you always go for corn, right?
Mm.
This one seems that they boil it first and bake it.
Mm-hmm.
So make it like a savory taste, like very special.
Okay.
Nice.
Enjoy.
This one better. Oh, sorry. This once again Vivian with the dumpling. Is this one better than Taipei?
It's good.
Music or the dumpling? That's good. Good morning, folks. It's Sunday in Seoul. Probably for a lot of you could be Saturday. So strolling again on the street of Seoul. Now we are kind of like walking by one of these streams. Can't quite remember the name or can't pronounce it, so you'll see it on the screen. Very nice breeze, weather is nice, so enjoy with us later.
It's like ice cream. Rice wine, traditional Korean drink. So we're gonna try it for the first time.
So if you don't see me in the video, you know what's up. You don't know what's exactly what happened. Alright. It's a deal. It's a deal with something.
It's rice. It's fermented rice with malt.
it is. Jan is mixing something. I don't know what it is.
Rice ball.
Oh, rice ball. It's a rice ball. What is it?
Hi again, friends. We hope you enjoyed this video of Seoul, South Korea. One last advice, as we mentioned during the beginning of the video, it's very important that you travel to Seoul early, to arrive early evening, because although we did some research, none of our research told us about this issue. The public transportation from the airport ends very early in the evening. So we had a big issue getting on the train. As you know, we like to travel on a budget, and paying $70 on a taxi to take us to our hotel was unacceptable for us. So we missed the train because we arrived late. So very important advice. Please make sure you get to Seoul. You arrive early in the evening. If you've been to Seoul, please share your experience with us. And if you had any issue at the airport as well, please do share. Thank you so much. And if you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to subscribe if you haven't done so. We thank you, all our current subscribers, and all the new ones. We welcome you. God bless. Bye for now. See you on the next one.